Right, so welcome back to another video. If you're a regular viewer to my channel, you're probably wondering why there's another video on this, but there's been some changes. This demo board is now finished, so I've got the Bentley Symphony 2. There's the cool Bentley logo, Symphony 2. They also made the Symphony 4, but also I found a very, very rare, well not rare, but rare and brand new condition, which this one is, a remote keypad for Bentley Symphony 2 or 4. Since there you can see there's Zone 3 and 4, but there isn't here, so that can work for a Symphony 2 or 4. I think those are the models anyway. Got a Rakel Gardle IR772 Mark II and a Mark III. A CQR single push metal clad PA button and CQR Type C with strobe, Carter Super 6 bell, MAS SAB module and a tamper switch. So we'll start off by doing a bell test. I'm just going to turn the light off so the strobe effect is a bit better. So right, so just gonna stick in the code. It's all default codes, so yeah, it's quite good. They're both exactly the same. When you're in engineer's mode, it all flashes together and both speakers go at the same time. So we're going to set the system. We're going to set it here and disarm it there. So system is now set. I'm going to walk over and disarm it by the remote keypad. Right, so as you notice, both detectors picking up at pretty much the same time, which is quite cool. So we can test it one last time till it goes off. So right, the system is now set. I'm going to walk in front of it and I'll wait for it to go off. So. Right, so you could hear that, the entry tone, as they're both got speakers in it, goes back and forth a bit, so just an engineer reset. Right, so all back into normal day mode again. We'll do a bell box tamper. For some reason, only the panel speaker goes off and the bell box doesn't, which it actually depends on what SAB module you have. So yeah, I've tried it with different SAB modules and it goes off. It depends really. So just do it from this one this time. So you can see they're both on. Press that. They both flash, which is quite cool. So yeah, I quite like how all the wires are all concealed behind the board. So except the power cable, but it looks quite neat and tidy in my opinion. So yeah, that's about it. If anyone has any video requests, please drop them in the comments, as I'm running out of stuff to film. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.